YouTube community is a recent update from YouTube. It's just like a chat group, Facebook group where people can, make posts on your YouTube channel. So, but before they can do that, they have to be subscribed to your YouTube and you have to turn that on. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. If you're new here and you're old, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. So you open your YouTube app and you go to your channel. Click on View Channel. So when you click on View Channel, you see this place, the pencil-like icon where you can edit your channel. So you just click on it. It's going to open like this as if you want to change some settings. You see this my community down here. You can turn it on or you can also turn it off. So when you turn it on, you can see what is written below it. Viewers can post. So I'm going to turn mine on. So when you turn it on and you save, like by going back to this arrow, you can see visit community. So you can only see this when you have turned your community on. So you click on visit community, it's going to show like this. So you can write a welcome post. If you have not been posting, maybe this is your first time, you can just try and create a post. So your community is like a space for you and your viewers to start discussions and connect. So you have to be the one to manage the post. You can delete some, you can edit. So you just go to your YouTube studio and do some community settings. These are my posts which I've been, posting on my YouTube channel. So you can, write a welcome post, which I'm going to do. But apart from that, you have the control over your community. So you can go to community settings, viewers can post, then subscribers also. How long have they been subscribed? Maybe someone that subscribes like 1 day or 1 week, or you are the one that have to set that. So you also have to decide if you can do post moderation. Do you want to hold any post? Do you want to hold basic or hold all posts and allow them to be public when you must have ascertained that they don't contain any harmful settings or statements. So all these things can be done through the community settings. So I'm just going to create a new post on my own community to welcome every member of my community, although I've been posting, but then to just let them know that the new community tab is on in my channel, that they can interact and post and communicate with me and all of that. So once I'm done, I just click on done and select a picture to accompany the post and click on post, and that is all about that. So tell me if you have activated this. Do you like the update? Do you think it's necessary? Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.